First, we will make a new canvas, which we will take A4 size. Click on Create button. Canvas is ready to work. Now we will add the image, on which we want to make the effect. After adding image, we'll make the selection of this car. I will make a selection with the Auto Object Selection tool. You can see the selection has been ready. Use the Polygon's lasso tool to select the unselected area. Now just quickly complete its selection. After the selection, click on Layer Mask option. OK. Selection is completed. I will resize this. Now we will apply adjustment layer, which is black and white. Now we will apply second adjustment layer, which is curves. We'll raise the shadow. Reduce the highlights. Now we will apply third adjustment layer, which is gradient map. And this adjustment layer is the main adjustment of this tutorial. Now we will add color to the gradient map. Color adding is complete. And it looks so beautiful now. Now let's adjust the image a bit. We'll duplicate the car layer. We'll select the bottom layer, convert it to Convert Smart Object. Convert this to Rasterize layer. Apply Gaussian blur effect. We'll make its radius 907. After this, we will invert the bottom layer with the Ctrl+I. Now type the text. We'll increase the font size. Bring it down a bit. And we'll convert the text to convert to shape. Select the direct selection tool. Selecting the above two anchor points will draw. We'll do the same with R. While dragging it, we'll use Shift so that it will go completely straight. And you can change the color of the text as well. If you found this video informative, then please subscribe the channel and like the video. And share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right.